Hello, it's Debbie. Thank you for coming back to my channel. This is another Fit Food review. And I'm reviewing two protein drinks that I just tried at that were on markdown at Kroger. This was, I think, a 6-pack, 6 or 8 pack for $4.49, and this was $4.99. Now this is the vanilla Soylent ready to drink 16 gram plant protein. Now this is richer. This has more calories, so this is more like a meal replacement. And it has a lot of ingredients, like lots more sugars and additives and things. And it was kind of rich. It was kind of thick. It has 2 different kinds of oils. So I don't think I'll buy this again. It's too rich. And I wouldn't want this as a meal replacement. So, and it tastes pretty good, but it was just too thick and too rich. I think it's more for weight gain or maintenance or meal replacement. Now this one I like better. Tone It Up Protein Shake. This in chocolate and 10 grams of protein, 130 calories. So this is more like a snack. So I really like this, and it has much cleaner ingredients. Definitely cleaner ingredients. And so definitely I recommend this. It's a lighter taste, and I really enjoy it. So that's it for the Fit Food review. Thank you for watching. Bye.